Good morning, KGE. This is your pink color book. Okay? And the name of the book is Getting Ready to Read. This is our reading book. Okay, babies? So search in your bag this book, pink in color. And who's here? Bincy. Hello, Bincy. Now, we will do reading from this book. Always remember, this is your reading book. When ma'am says, children, take out your reading book, this is the book that you will take out. So get ready, children. You should have this book ready and a sharp pencil. Alright, children, we will open page number 2. In the balloon, there is a number 2 written. Page number 2. Now, we are going to do the first line from the reader book. Now you have your reader book, so let's revise at words today. We are going to revise at words. Okay. Look at the first picture, children. And let's get ready with our pencil. Let's put a dot. What's the sound? First sound? Yes, K. Put a dot and then a second dot under the second sound. This is the middle sound. And what's the alphabet and what's its sound? A. Very good. Let's put a dot on the last sound under the last sound. Now say the sound. T. Very good. Now we will put 1 on top of K. First sound K. Second sound A. And the third sound T. Very good. Now babies, look. There are dots. We need to join the dots. Okay? On top of the dots, we are going to draw a line. So, let's draw a line and say the sound by joining them together. K, A, T, cat. Very good. We are going to repeat 3 times. Put your finger. K, A, T, cat. K, A, T, cat. So the magic happens when you say all the 3 sounds together and quickly. Cats, cats, cats. Very good, my children. Now let's look at the next picture. And what's the first letter and the sound? Say the sound and put a dot. Very good. H. Second sound, children. A. Put a dot. And the third sound. T. Very good. Let's number them. First sound H. Second sound A. Third sound T. And now we're going to join the dots and say quickly. H at the hat. H at the hat. H at the hat. Now the magic reading. Hat. 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 Very good, my champions. Now let's look at the next picture. I know you know the picture. Let's do the reading. The first sound, babies. Put a dot. M. Second sound, A. Third sound, T. Let's mark one, M. Second sound, A. Third sound, D. Now, joining time. M at mat. M at mat. M at mat. Now time for quick reading. Magic reading. Mat. 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 Well done, my superheroes. Now, we are going to put our date here, okay? We are going to write the date 2.7.2020. Alright children, now activity time. Take out your alphabet cards. And what words did we make today? We made at words. Let's look for at, okay? A. Very good. And let's put all of them here. Now, today we did at words. At words. Now we are going to make cat. Let's look for ka. Let's look for ka. Okay, we got ka. Now we're going to join ka with a. Ka at cat. Ka at cat. This is in print and this is in cursive. Cat. Well done. Now we are going to change the first sound. What is the next picture? Hat. So we are going to look for the first sound. Here we go. Her. Here is her. So the first sound changes and the middle sound and the last sound remains same. Only the first sound is changing. Her has come and let's read. Her at hat. Her at hat. 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 Very good. Now her is going away. Let's change. Now what word is this? Mat. Mat. So we're going to look for the first sound. Ma, where are you? Here. Let's join. Now ma joins with at. Ma at mat. Ma at mat. Look children. Mat. Very good. Now you're going to make all these three words on your own and you're going to send me your photographs. Alright children, now at. We are going to place a and t. We are making at words today. So the first word was ka. Let's place ka and read. Ka at cat. Ka at cat. Now we have to change the first sound. Let's change the first sound. And who's coming? Her. Very good. Now read loudly. Her at hat. Her at hat. Very good. Look, magic. Last two sounds remain the same. Only first sound is changing. Now her is leaving, going bye-bye. And who's coming? Ma. Very good. Now let's read. Ma at mat. 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 Very good, children. Do this activity and do send me your videos. Happy reading.